Sorry I'm late.
It's okay.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm alright. Could be better.
Hi, how are you all doing?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Good. So, Melissa, I'm going to start with you because you filed in court. So, tell me what's going on. What brings us to mediation today?
We're here today because I want to reduce his hours, his visitation hours, and I want that in writing.
Okay, so you guys do not have a court order in place right now.
No.
Okay, when you say reduce his hours, how often does he see the kids now?
He sees them 3 days a week, and I see them 4 days a week.
Okay.
In today's mediation, I expect to get a visitation in writing. I want Jeremy to be able to give more income to me so that I can take care of my boys and provide for them and to get more hours to spend with them, more visitation with my kids.
And why would you want to reduce that?
To be real?
Yeah, everything we discuss in mediation is confidential, so you can be as real as you want to be. It actually helps, come to a better agreement.
Well, to be honest, I don't want my kids to be there at his house with him because he is a womanizer.
Okay.
I don't want my kids to grow up seeing all these women coming in and out, so many different women. I don't want them to grow up and think that.
She's just upset that I left her.
Mm.
Melissa, I mean, she's a good mom. We've had our ins and outs and our ups and downs, but we just can't see eye to eye.
Okay. Is that true what he said, that you're mad because he left you?
I guess mad and hurt.
Okay. Hurt? Okay. So when you say he's a womanizer, he has a bunch of different women, you're saying?
That's not true.
Okay. So, Jeremy, does she have a legitimate concern that there are a lot of different women around your kids?
No, I don't think that's true at all.
Okay.
That's not a concern.
And these are boys or girls? I'm sorry.
We have 2 boys.
2 boys. Okay.
Yeah. No, that's not a concern. I take good care of my kiddos. I love them. They don't see women in and out of my place
Okay.
at all. I think, again, she's just upset. She's acting on her emotions.
Okay. So what would you like to see? How would you like to see this play out? Would you like for you guys to keep in place what you've already been doing?
I mean, I think so. I mean, honestly, I really wish we can split it. Split
Okay.
that time.
When you say split, what do you mean by that? Because you kind of are already doing something split, where you have them 3 days, she has them 4 days. You want something like that, keep that, or you want something a little bit more defined, like a week on, week off?
Yeah, week on, week off is exactly what I was thinking.
Okay. Melissa, what about you? What do you think about the week on, week off? Because you're kind of already doing
3
something
days is
close to
enough.
that. And if your only reason is reducing his time because of whatever his relationship status may be, that's really not in the best interest of your children because you're only hurting them.
I don't know. I think probably just 2 days out of the week.
2 days of each week?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's ridiculous.
Why would you want him to have only 2 days?
Well, I want him to only have 2 days because I pay for like their health care and everything.
How much you pay in that?
About monthly 200, 300.
For just them?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we'll say 200. Okay, so let me give you a realistic view of what would happen here. If you all were to go to court,
Mm-hmm.
and how long have you all been doing this? 3 days on and 4 days?
About a year.
About a year?
Roughly a year.
Okay, so realistically, if you all have been doing it that long, it's almost like a situation of if it's not broke, don't fix it. If it were not working, you obviously would have stopped doing it. So there's a likelihood that the judge may keep it that, or it could even give him what he's asking for on a full week. So based on that, Would that encourage you to at least stay at the 3 days on, 4 days on, or even give him another couple of days and make it a week?
I don't know, because he has more income than me.
Okay, how much do you make?
I make $52,500.
Okay, $52,500. And what do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Teacher? Okay, what subject you teach?
Math.
Math? Okay. I'm good at it now. I used to didn't be, good in math.
That's
And you
fair.
said 52.5.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and how much do you make?
Well, I'm a teacher as well, and I make 58,000.
58,000. Okay. That's not that huge of a difference. So, one of the things that judges can do, just because you have a split schedule doesn't mean that somebody doesn't have to pay child support. Judges can do what's called an offset. So they would take what your child support would be, what your child support amount would be. So you only have 2 children, that's it?
Yes.
Okay, so if we did your net, 8 times 25%. Yeah, your child support would be about $913. His would be, his child support would be $983. It's not even a difference of $100. So the court could order nobody pay child support. So, I mean, that's kind of what you're looking at in court. So would you want to go to court, spend all that time, spend all that money, and you end up with nothing in terms of financial, but you do have a dad that's willing to be a part of his kid's life.
You know I'm a good father. I love those kids.
What do you think about that? Because I'm getting the vibe from him that he loves his kids too. And that's what's important, right?
Mm-hmm. Correct.
So what do you think? 3 days, 4 days? What you guys been doing, or entertain his request of a full week?
I feel like if we were to get 1 week with him, 1 week with me, we should be splitting all the costs.
Split all the cost of what exactly are we talking about? Healthcare, okay.
Stuff when it comes to, I guess, clothes for them.
Okay.
Or
what about any extracurricular when it comes later? Daycare, all of that? How does that work for you? It's not solely on you, and it's not solely on her. So,
at least when it comes to like daycare, that whole week they're with him, he pays for that daycare, and I pay for my daycare. If not, if it's the same daycare, we should just have it.
Okay.
The cost of it, just basically the cost of everything when it comes to them only.
What about this? If you put them in the same daycare, the week that the children are with you, you pay for that week. The week that the children are with you, you pay for that week. So you guys are alternating weeks.
Yeah.
Now you're talking. Yep.
That works?
I'm okay with
that. All right. So just to go back over the settlement, you guys have a week on, week off possession schedule. In lieu of paying child support, you'll split all the costs for daycare and everything down the middle. So the week that the child is in your possession, you'll pay daycare. And the week that the child is in your possession, you'll pay daycare. And you guys are going to split the $200, $100 each for health insurance, right? Right?
Yep. Does that work for you?
Okay. So, excuse me, I'll get the mediated settlement agreement, and I'll be right back.
Thank you.
You all right with that?
You're all right with it, yeah.
Well, I think that works.
Okay. I have the agreement here. So, you just briefly look over and make sure everything looks good, and you'll sign right there where it says petitioner. Okay. Thank you. And I'll have you do the same thing, review it to make sure it looks like a complete, accurate depiction of your agreement, and you'll sign where it says respondent. Okay. We'll get you copies and get you all out of here. You all have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.